In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a content block in Mailchimp. Whether you're refining your email templates or simply tidying up a design, knowing how to remove a content block is an essential skill for any Mailchimp user. Mailchimp is a powerful platform for creating email campaigns, but with all its features, navigating the editor can sometimes feel a little overwhelming. Don't worry though, by the end of this video, you'll feel confident about deleting unwanted content blocks from your templates. This process is simple, quick, and something you can do in just a few clicks. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate over to mailchimp.com and log into your account. This is the starting point for just about any action you'll take in Mailchimp, so make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the Mailchimp dashboard. This is your hub for managing all aspects of your email campaigns, from creating new templates to analyzing your audience engagement. From here, locate the section where you manage your email campaigns and templates. If you're not familiar with this layout, it's typically one of the main options on the dashboard. Once you've found it, open the editing page for the specific email template you'd like to modify. This will bring up the design editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now, a quick tip before we move on. If you're working with a draft or an important template, consider saving a backup version of your design. This ensures that if you make a mistake or accidentally delete something you didn't intend to, you have a copy to fall back on. Next, scroll through the template to locate the content block that you want to delete. Content blocks are the individual sections within your email template containing things like text, images, or even buttons. Take your time to carefully identify the block you no longer need. If your template is fairly large, it can be helpful to preview your email layout fully before jumping into edits. This way, you're not accidentally removing a block that's crucial to your design. Once you've found the content block you want to remove, click on it to highlight or activate it. You'll notice that the block becomes outlined or selected, which is Mailchimp's way of letting you know you're working on the right section. Don't worry, nothing has been deleted yet. This step simply ensures that you've selected the correct block for editing. Now, look for the trash icon. It's usually a small icon shaped like a trash can, and you'll find it positioned to the right of the selected content block.